Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex. Today's word is boyfriend, an A1 level noun meaning a male romantic partner. Boyfriend is a very common word used to describe a man you are dating. For example, she introduced her boyfriend to her parents. Some synonyms for boyfriend include partner, which you might hear in she went to the cinema with her partner, and also beau, which, while a little old-fashioned, can be seen in he's her new beau. Now, let's look at some antonyms. While there isn't a direct opposite of boyfriend for relationships, words like ex can be considered opposite in certain situations, as in her ex came to the party, or even enemy, as in he became her enemy after the breakup. You might use boyfriend in everyday life quite often when speaking about relationships. For example, I'm going out for dinner with my boyfriend tonight, or my best friend has a new boyfriend. Some other ways you might hear it are, is that your boyfriend over there? Or, she said her boyfriend is very kind. Remember that boyfriend refers specifically to a male in a romantic relationship. So today, we learned that boyfriend means a male romantic partner. We saw that partner and beau are synonyms and that ex or enemy can sometimes function as antonyms in this context. Remember, it's an everyday word you'll hear a lot in conversation. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Also, please create your own sentence using the word boyfriend and share it in the comments below this video.